So hello, we were doing the entire syllabus for EPFO. We have already completed Principles of Accounting. It's 18th chapter as well as more than 500 questions of Principles of Accounting. So you can go have a look at the playlist UPSC EPFO 2025 on the same channel, as well as the PDFs of the same as well as this PDF will be available in the Telegram. The name is EduAastra, or you can comment link and provide you with the same. So let's come to our second chapter. We have already completed the first chapter, that was nature, objectives and scope of auditing. So our second chapter is Audit Planning Program and Strategy. So meaning of audit planning. Audit planning refers to establishing the overall audit strategy and developing an audit plan to perform the audit efficiently and effectively. ठीक है, what is it? Refers to establishing the overall audit strategy and developing an audit plan. ठीक है, all right, to develop a strategy at the same time develop an audit plan to perform audit efficiently and effectively, that is our audit planning. Then it ensures that important areas are given appropriate attention, potential problems identified early and work completed timely. It mandated under Standards of Auditing 300, that is planning and audit of financial statements. What is a financial statement? We have done it in accounting. You tell me what is financial statement. Objectives of audit planning. Again very important. In the last chapter also we have discussed that all of these questions are very important. Definition, objectives, limitations, merits, demerits, uses, and so on. So objectives of audit planning: ensure that the audit is performed efficiently, identify key areas of risk and materiality, then ensure that audit work is completed within time limits, coordinate work among audit team members, then facilitate direction, supervision and review of audit work. Then steps in audit planning as per Standard of Auditing 300. Understanding the entity and its environment, that is nature of business, ownership, management structure, accounting system and internal control. Assessing audit risk, identify potential misstatement due to error or fraud. Then setting materiality levels, that is decide what level of misstatement is considered material. So that is Standard of Auditing 320. Then deciding audit approach, that is substantive procedures versus reliance on internal controls. Then preparing audit program, that is step-by-step plan of audit work. Then allocation of audit staff, that is assign responsibility to team members. Then time schedule, that is establish milestone and deadlines. Then audit strategy, overall scope, timing and direction of audit. Strategy determines nature and characteristics of engagement, reporting objectives, resources to deploy and when, significant risk areas, revenue, inventory, receivables, etc. Helps in linking risk assessment to audit procedures. Then audit plan, a detailed description of audit procedures to be performed. It translates the audit strategy into specific tasks, that is what, how, when and by whom. Includes nature, timing and extent of audit procedures, risk assessment procedures, control testing and substantive procedures, and coordination among staff and experts. Then audit program, a written plan of audit work to be done by audit staff, lists detailed instructions and the areas to be checked, acts as a blueprint for conducting audit efficiently. Then contents of audit program, name of client and accounting period, nature of business, audit objectives, then detailed work to be done for each account area, the names of staff assigned, dates of commencement and completion, references to working papers. Advantages of audit program: provides systematic approach to audit work, avoids duplication of work, fixes responsibility among audit staff, help in supervision and control, serves as evidence that audit was properly planned. All of these are advantages of audit program. Again very important. Then disadvantages: limitation of audit program may lead to mechanical work without initiative. Again important. May not allow flexibility in unexpected circumstances. Risk of overlooking new areas not in the program. Then difference between audit program and audit plan. Again one of those important topics: differences, merits, demerits, limitation, objectives. So difference between audit program and audit plan. So audit plan, framework describing audit procedures and scope. Audit program, detailed list of actual work to be done, prepared by auditor. Then for audit program, audit staff or audit senior is the one who prepares. Then purpose, provides direction, audit plan, and provides execution steps, the audit program. Flexibility, more flexible, audit plan is more flexible, and audit program is less flexible. Level is strategic, audit plan, and operational, audit program. Then audit documentation, that is standard of auditing 230. Documentation refers to working papers that record audit procedures, evidence obtained, and conclusions drawn. Serves as proof that audit was planned and conducted per standards. Types of working papers: permanent file, information of continuing importance, MOA, AOA, organization chart. Current file, current year's audit papers, that is your trial balance. What is trial balance? One thing I tell you, which was again in the previous year question, that the statement given was trial balance ensures complete accuracy, and it was written that whether it's true or false. So the answer is false. Not complete accuracy, but it ensures arithmetic accuracy. So we have already memorized in when we were doing accounting. AA, ठीक है, trial balances AA, that is arithmetic accuracy. Then schedules, confirmation letters. The relationship among strategy, plan, and program. Audit strategy, board direction and scope, responsibility, partner. Audit plan, procedures and risk management, audit manager. Audit program, task allocation, and audit staff. Then previous year questions. What is audit planning? Differentiate between audit plan and audit program. Why is audit planning necessary? What are the contents of audit program? And explain the importance of working papers. Now let's come to our answers, or questions and answer, or flashcards, or expected questions. You can call it any one of these. So let's start. What is audit planning? Establishing overall audit strategy and plan to ensure effective and efficient audit. Which standard on auditing governs audit planning? The standard on auditing 300. Planning and audit of financial statements. What is the main objective of audit planning? To ensure that the audit is performed efficiently and important areas are covered. What is audit strategy? Overall scope, timing, and direction of the audit. What is audit plan? So detailed plan of audit procedures, that is what, how, when, and by whom. What is audit program? A written document listing detailed audit work and instructions. Name one advantage of audit program. Prevents duplication of work. Name one disadvantage of audit program. May encourage mechanical work without initiative. What is audit documentation? Working papers recording audit procedures and evidence obtained. Which standard on auditing deals with audit documentation? So SA 230. What is permanent file? Contains documents of continuing importance like MOA, AOA. What is current file? Contains audit papers relating to current year. We have seen just now. State one difference between audit plan and audit program. Audit plan is strategic, audit program is operational. Why is planning important in audit? Helps in identifying risk areas and efficient resource use. Who prepares audit strategy? The auditor or audit partner. Who prepares audit program? Audit senior or staff. We have done this when we were doing that table. Then what does standard on auditing 320 deal with? Materiality in planning and performing an audit. What are working papers used for? Basis for forming auditor's opinion. What is the relationship between audit plan and program? Program operationalizes the plan. So that's it in this. You'll get this PDF on the Telegram. The name is EduAastra, as well as the other important PDFs for this exam as well as the other exams related to economy, history, current affairs, important exam notification, reset opportunities, and a lot of other technical things as well. For example, some coding languages will also be uploaded very soon. So stay tuned, and if you need anything else, then do tell me. That's it. All the very best, and thank you.